Fatima. I'm excited that you're here for another video. Today's video, I'm doing a Coach unboxing. If you want to see what I'm gonna unbox, please stay tuned. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to share and comment down below. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. I'm really excited about today's video. I haven't done a Coach unboxing in a really long time, so I'm super excited about this piece. Here's the box. I took all of my mailing information off of it. As you can tell, this box is a small box, so this is a small item. And I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it. I took all the, stickers and tape off to make this process easier and not long and drawn out. Here is the inside of the box, and it just says Coach. They wrapped my item up beautifully in this brown paper and put a Coach sticker on the top. Inside of at the bottom of my bag, on the inside is my receipt, and it comes in this cute little Coach envelope like that. And then here is my item. It's a cute little item. This item I have been seeing all over social media, which I've always thought was cute, but I just wanted to get like other items in my collection before I got this one. It's something different in my collection. And so let me just show you all. So it comes in a cute little white Coach dust bag, and here she is. I don't know if you all can tell, but I made my lights in the back kind of match the handbag. But this is the Coach Tabby 18 in the new Ombre colorway. And I chose the colorway with the pink and orange. And I think she is such a beautiful bag. So this is my first time owning a Coach Pillow Tabby bag. These bags took storm back in 2020. I know the lime green one was a very popular bag, but this bag comes in two different ombre colorways. There is a blue and green colorway, and then there's this pink and orange colorway that is just so beautiful. It's a very soft, squishy, supple bag. It is prone to wrinkles because it is a very smooth and soft leather. And then if you just pop her open, we have the long crossbody strap that's ombre. And then you have two compartments. You have this larger front compartment and then a more slender back compartment. And then you have a slit pocket in the back. I don't want to stretch it out too much because I don't want it to gain too many wrinkles. But this is such a cutie, and it is a magnetic closure just like that. And it does have gold hardware, and it comes with the Coach dog tag on the side. The top handle is removable. You can remove the top handle and just wear it as a crossbody, or you could just wear the top handle with the crossbody. Coach also has other chain straps that you can use, like resin straps, like chunky chain straps, but I didn't purchase one. If I find the need to purchase one, I will later on down the line, but right now just the top handle is cute enough. I plan on carrying this bag as a top handle. I don't really plan on carrying it as a crossbody, but it's nice to know that you do have a crossbody option as well as a shoulder strap option, because I'm pretty sure that this strap can adjust to shoulder length or crossbody length. But she's so cute. Like, I've always been a fan of the Pillow Tabby bags, but every time I would try to go reach for one, they would always be sold out, or they wouldn't have the color that I want. But when I saw this bag, it screamed the perfect summer vacation bag. Now I'm starting to get into the trend of wanting to find some bags with pops of color. I have plenty of brown and black bags, but I don't have any pop of color bags. I do have a white, lime green, and a red bag as a pop of color, but having this pink and orange is just so beautiful. I also had to hop on this handbag because Coach a few weekends ago were having their 50% off sale. So this was also included on the sale. So there's the regular pillow Tabby, like the normal size, and then you had this one, and this one was 50% off. So originally this retails for some $400 odd, but because everything was 50% off, I was able to get this for $200, and then I also had a 15% off coupon that I could add on top of that. So this bag literally became a steal, so I really had to hop on it, especially seeing how beautiful it is. It is pretty, it's a tiny bag, I will say, but I do know my phone can fit on the inside and a card holder can fit on the inside, but it is just such a beautiful, beautiful bag, and I'm so happy. Even though we have like a few more weeks of summer left, I know I could get some really great use out of this, like going out of town, going to the beach, going to the winery, places of that sort. But she is so cute. So let me show you the front of this beauty right here, and you see how shiny and supple that leather is, and you see the beautiful gradient in the colors. So this is the, well, one of the sides of the bags, and here's the back. So pretty. Here's the other side with the dog tag, and here's the front. Ah, she is so lovely. I love her. She's the cutest little addition. So that concludes today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Mwah.